How to make and create coffee menu on Canva app in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create a professional coffee menu with Canva app in less than 1 minute, fast and easy. All what you have to do, go to Canva app and then go here down below and click on this add option and search for coffee, and it will give you the coffee menu right here. Click on it like this and wait a few seconds until it takes you to this page right here. And now here you can click on any menu template that you want to edit. Okay, I'm gonna choose the first one, for example, or I'm gonna choose this one. After you click on the menu that you want, now you are able to change everything on it. Every single thing here can be changed, and you can move anything, as you can see, from the design and also the text. You can just click on the text and edit it as you want. As you can see, pizza, and then click save button here and everything will be done. Don't forget to like and subscribe.